Hi, this is Connie. This recipe is a classic that can be for both breakfast and brunch. Bananas Foster pancakes, the lightest and tastiest pancakes you've ever had.
And hi, this is Vince. Welcome to our channel, A Quick Recipe.
The entire list of ingredients will be available later. Feel free to pause the video and make notes as we go along. We'll start by cutting 3 large ripe bananas into quarter-inch slices. Then put them aside. In a large bowl, we're adding the dry ingredients. To the 2 cups all-purpose flour, add a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. After mixing them together, create a well in the middle for the wet ingredients. Now add 2 tablespoons of melted butter that you have let cool. Then 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, 1 large egg, and 1 3/4 cups of milk. Hand whisk everything until you have a consistent batter. If you have a few lumps, that's okay. And let the batter rest while getting the frying pan ready. Bring a non-stick fry pan back up to low-medium heat. Then spread 2 tablespoons of butter evenly over the warm pan. And then add the bananas. When the bananas are tender, add the brown sugar, and let it melt into the bananas. Remove the pan from the heat, and add 2 ounces of dark rum. After thoroughly mixing in the rum, put the pan back under heat, and let it cook until the consistency is like maple syrup. To begin the pancakes, add 2 tablespoons of butter to a preheated non-stick fry pan that's been set at low-medium heat. And thoroughly cover the pan with it. Ladle the batter in. And use the backside of the ladle to round out the batter. When the pan side is golden brown, flip the pancakes over. Take a moment to subscribe to our Quick Recipe channel and give us a like.
It makes it possible to create more episodes for you. Here's the list of ingredients for the Bananas Foster pancakes.
This is what you'll need. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 3/4 cups of milk, 1 large fresh egg, 3 large ripe bananas, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of salted butter, 2 ounces of dark rum.
You can review the list in the Show More section below.
This recipe makes the lightest and tastiest pancakes you've ever had.
And the most banana-y.
Bon appetit! Here are a few more tips and recipes that you may find interesting. Also, check out our website, aquickrecipe.com, for more interesting cooking ideas.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on our YouTube channel, A Quick Recipe.